Uh, fuck. Fuck. What's going on? What's going on, boys? What am I doing? What am I doing? So don't mind me, I'm just opening mystery boxes. Yes, all freshest outfits. Yes, give me that. Freshest sport outfit. Damn, he dribbling. That's why I'm not here to be stuck up for. 179 more. Wait, what did I say yesterday? What did I say? Oh yeah, hey everybody. Today I'm gonna show you how to get the high jumper achievement in Subway Surfers. Because I don't really have much to do. As I completed, like, you know, all these missions, I'll definitely probably do videos where I'll show you how to get these achievements. You know, no acrobatics, coin cautious, mission master, straight ahead, coin counter, and trophy hunter. But basically, I'm just gonna explain how you get the high jumper achievement. The high jumper is 4 different trophies in one. So it's a bit of a mixed bag, so hang on. So hold on for a second. Anyways, if you want to do the high jumper achievement, you gotta upgrade your super sneakers. Also, if you really want to extend that, then go ahead with something. I don't know. Now to do high jumper achievement, it starts off quite simple. It starts off with like maybe like 40 seconds. Then it jumps to like maybe like a minute 30, and then like maybe like 250, and then it reaches 4 minutes. I think those are the times. If anyone can tell me what the actual times are, because I kind of forgot about them, then let me know. It would be quite helpful. Basically, to get the high jumper achievement, you gotta wear the super sneakers for a certain allotted amount of time. Now, if you can find multiple super sneakers, good job. You can extend that time there. If you're like me, you don't have all the upgrades fully maxed out. But if you have all the upgrades maxed out, good for you. You'll make the achievement quite easy. High jumper achievement, it will reward you keys as usual. As per any achievement that you complete will net you keys. So yeah. Anyways, I think that's it. It's quite a short video, but hey, it's about that counts. There's how you get the high jumper achievement in Subway Surfers. Tune in next time. Bep bep. This is so thoosh. So you're wondering about my collection? So now here's my collection. Fresh, now I have all his outfits. Tricky, I have all of her outfits. Jake, I have all her outfits. Spike, I need like 70 more of his tokens. Yutani, now I need what was it? 176 more tokens for Yutani, and then a further 250 more tokens Which, given the amount of grinding for Yutani, that equates to 750 tokens for Yutani in her normal form and her gadget outfit. Also, this is all the characters I have around now. Also, yes, Sun is back, but he's not a bundle anymore. He's just here for money. Nikolai, St. Petersburg special. What is this? Also, as you can see, I am close to getting all 3 of the Lunar New Year stuff. Mala, the Vancouver special with the lunar outfit. Now, okay. Hey, here's Danny. Party outfit. About the boards, what boards did I get? Not a whole lot, considering that I haven't really got it. Although, I am planning to get the kitty board. It's Tokyo special. The Buenos Aires splash board. I don't even know what this does. What is that? It's the Great White, which I actually have to speed up for. There is the Smooth Drift, which I do want to get. Although the alternative is the Monster board. Super Speed and Super Jump. But, yeah, whatever. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Here's Fresh, and welcome to be a bootleg NBA player's outfit. Bye-bye.